Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Pro Tips step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Garmin device, ensure that it is fully charged. Connect your Garmin device to a computer or USB power source using the included cable. Once connected, power on the device by pressing the power button. Wait for the initial startup screen to appear. Next, select your preferred language from the options provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to a Wi-Fi network, if available. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the device may prompt you to perform a software update. If an update is available, follow the instructions to download and install it. Once the update is complete, the device will restart. Next, you will be prompted to set up device tracking and safety settings. Enable or disable these features based on your personal preferences. Now, create a user profile by entering your personal information, such as age, weight, and height. This information helps the device calculate accurate metrics for your activities. Next, connect your Garmin device to the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Download the Garmin Connect app from your device's app store and install it. Open the app and create an account or log in to an existing account. Follow the prompts to pair your Garmin device with the app via Bluetooth. Once paired, customize your settings within the app, such as activity tracking preferences. Explore any additional features specific to your Garmin model, such as training plans or music services. Finally, familiarize yourself with the device's interface and menus before your first use. Take a moment to review the user manual for more detailed instructions on unique features. With these steps, your Garmin device is now set up and ready for all your adventures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.